Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will get started with Microsoft Copilot Studio. We have all been there whenever we are working for a customer who needs a quick answer, but they are stuck waiting in a long support queue. Now, today, customers demand instant, precise self-service. Meanwhile, businesses are struggling to scale their support teams without blowing their budgets. How do you bridge this gap? The answer is Microsoft Copilot Studio. Microsoft Copilot Studio. Now, this powerful platform lets anyone build custom AI agents that answer common questions instantly. The best part is you don't need to be a developer, right? So if you are thinking that I need to be a developer, no, you don't need to be a developer or a data scientist. In this video, you will learn how Copilot Studio works, its massive benefits. Okay, now to begin with, we'll know what is an AI agent. We should know the basics of what is an AI agent, right? So, you know an agent. Now we will see what an AI agent is. Okay, so let's define what we are actually building. What is an agent? Now think of an agent as an advanced form of AI that simulates a natural human conversation through a simple chat interface. Now, unlike old rigid chatbots, these agents actively listen for keywords and phrases. They instantly match customer queries against a pre-built library of common issues known as topics. Okay, now the magic happens in how they interact. The agent does not just give a single flat answer. It continuously checks if the customer's problem is truly solved, right? And what are the game-changing benefits that actually matter? Right, now adopting AI agents into your organization brings 4 massive benefits. Number 1, it will reduce assisted support inquiries, right? Reduce support inquiries. Customer don't always need a live human to get a basic answer. Right now, agents instantly resolve simple issues by displaying tailored topics, knowledge-based articles or FAQs page. Now, number 2 is seamless integration. Now, these agents connect directly with your existing CRM systems. This means they can pull personal relevant information into the chat in real time. Number 3 is task automation. All right, agents don't just talk, they take action. With agent flows, they can automate entire resolutions with the customer's permission. Number 4, generative answers. By indexing public websites, internal SharePoint sites, local documents, and Azure OpenAI, we can have the agent securely draft personalized conversational responses on the fly. Now, after discussing these game-changing benefits, we should discuss no-code creation and the business value. Now you might think building something this powerful requires a massive tech team. Well, it doesn't, right? It does not require a massive tech team. The Copilot Studio features a guided no-code no code graphical interface. It's completely no code GUI. All right. And this completely eliminates the traditional gap between subject matter experts and development teams. Okay, when you spot a new customer issue, your customer service team can update the agent instantly, no waiting on IT. Right? By removing the complexity of coding, Copilot Studio helps the organizations in three distinct ways. First, it empowers your team, right? To build without AI expertise. Second, it cuts the cost. The cost will go down, and it drives up customer satisfaction. The cost goes down, the customer satisfaction goes up, and provide a 24/7 personalized self-help solution. Now, how could be this deployed in real world? Now, this deployment is really fast. Right? With just a few clicks, we can sign up, create an agent, and embed it directly into the website. To train it, you just provide a few phrases or examples of the topic you want to handle. For example, imagine your data shows that most incoming tickets are about store hours or shipping delays. We can build an agent specifically for those topics in minutes. Customers get instant answers and your live team never sees the ticket. Now, the top use cases, if you ask me, the top, beyond customer support, the use of Copilot Studios are massive. We can use them for sales assistance, managing store information, handling internal employee questions regarding health, vacation benefits, or even tracking public health data. Now, Microsoft Copilot Studio changes how businesses interact with users. It makes support faster and customers and this operation smoother for the team. Right? If you want to build your first AI agent, you need to stay tuned for the upcoming videos. And I hope this was beneficial for all of you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.